This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2014 Bowman Sterling Baseball. This is a 2-box break. This is also an eBay break, so I am going to read off the eBay usernames with the team names. Here we go. Derry Garcia's got the Athletics and the Padres. Just making sure I got everybody here. We got Rick O'Ham 1's got the Cardinals and the Giants. Triple Play Cards, Comics, Collectibles. He's got the Rockies and the Marlins. SB 13716 with the Mets and the Phillies. S. Dolman 22 with the Braves, Red Sox, Twins, and Blue Jays. Big Joe Craig 243-210 with the Indians, Royals, and Astros. Matty Ice 412. He's got the Nationals. KG Trains 2 with the Rangers. Corey 7734 with the Mariners. Matty Ice 412 also has the Pirates. M Stickman with the Yankees. SGOSNELL 29 with the Brewers. King B 6455 with the Dodgers. J Graham Slam, he's got the Angels. Automan 2014 with the Royals. S Whittle 24 with the Tigers. Trek Sports got the Reds. Durr 50 with the White Sox. Mr. KTE with the Cubs. Hulkster 2436 with the Orioles. And because I'm the mom of three. Sorry about that. I got it now. Because I'm the mom of three also has the Diamondbacks. That's your lineup, guys. Thanks, Derek. Appreciate the quick payment. You the man. Here we go. 2 sealed boxes, guys. Signed, sealed, delivered. Here we go. Lots of autographs. Lots of fun. First box coming right at you. All the packs in there, guys. Each pack, guys, has got 3 autographs. So here we go. Tyler Glasnow, base card, Pirates. First autographs going to the Indians, Francisco Lindor. Francisco Lindor autograph, Indians. Indians on the board. Next hit, the Twins, Minnesota. Nick Gordon. Twins getting on the board there. Nick Gordon. Autograph. And last hit of the first pack. Cardinals coming out. Luke Weaver. Cardinals. Luke Weaver for the Cardinals. Cardinals striking there. All right, guys. 1 pack down. Here we go. Just keep it rolling. Base card is Travis Denard. That's Mets. Not numbered there. And first hit, Brewers getting on the board. Jacob Gatewood for the Brewers. Jacob Gatewood. Brewers getting on the board. Next hit, Cubbies. Javier Baez. Nice card. Javier Baez. Very nice. The Cubbies. Baez, very nice card. Autograph. Nice hit, Cubbies. And we got a redemption. Boom. Sterling die cut. Auto blue refractor. Byron Buxton. How about that? That's a die cut, guys. That's a nice hit. The Twinnies. Mr. Buxton. Very nice. Sterling die cut, auto blue refractor, Byron Buxton. Very nice hit. Good start, guys. Here we go. Let's keep it rolling. Red Sox throwback, Mookie Betts. Mookie Betts throwback there. First hit, Cubbies. Albert Almora for the Cubbies. Couple Cubbies hits there. Cubbies getting on the board there again. Next hit, it's a variation. Astros. Astros getting on the board. Michael Fulty-Newix. I think I said that right. And that's the orange variation out of 75. 56 out of 75. 56 out of 75. Come on, camera. Let's go. Keep up now. There it goes. 5-6 out of 7-5 there. Astros. Last hit of that pack. The A's are striking. Raul Alcantara for the A's. Alcantara for the A's. Look at that autograph. How about that? R, underline A, underline A. I love it. That's the Athletics. Raul Alcantara there. Last hit there. Athletics getting on the board. Here we go. Next pack. Base card. Mariners. Taiwan Walker. Not numbered. Walker. First hit. On card. Indians. Justin Sheffield. Nice on card autograph. Indians. Justice Sheffield for the Indians. On card. Yeah, it's a doctor's signature, alright. Kind of cracks me up. It's pretty funny. Next hit. Red Sox getting on the board. Matt Barnes for the Red Sox. Matt Barnes. Autograph. Matt Barnes. And we got a redemption. Prospect auto. Michael Conforto. Prospect auto. Michael Conforto. Michael Conforto. I'll double check that one. Pretty sure I know it, but. Oh, geez. Yeah, it's the Mets. I thought it was the Mets, but man, it's throwing me off there for a second. Sorry about that. Yeah, KG, you're right. I was pretty certain it was the Mets, and then when I was double checking, for some reason I was having a hard time finding it. But that is Mets, guys. Thanks for the help, KG. Sometimes when I think I know all these prospects, I still get stumped. There's a lot of them, I'll tell you that. Archie Bradley, Diamondbacks base card. That's a out of 50. Purple parallel, 35 out of 50. 3-5 out of 5-0 on the Bradley. First hit, the Giants. Kyle Crick for the Giants. Giants getting on the board. Kyle Crick. Giants getting on the board. Next hit, Astros. Carlos Correa. Very nice. Astros. Carlos. And your last hit of the pack. Another Astros hit. Very nice. George Springer. That looks like a purple variation too. George Springer autograph. 68 out of 99. Back-to-back Astros. 6-8 out of 99 on the Springer. Very nice. George Springer. Astros. Last pack of the box. Here we go. Yeah, it is loaded with Astros. You're absolutely right. Matt Davison, White Sox, out of 199. 155 out of 199. There it goes. 155 out of 199 there, Davison, White Sox. First hit, Angels. Sean Newcomb. Angels striking. Angels getting on the board. Next hit. Pirates, Austin Meadows, on card. Very nice. I love his autographs. One of my favorite. Very nice, solid autograph. On card, Pirates. Very nice. Next hit. Last hit of that pack. Last hit of the box. Back-to-back Jacks for the Pirates. This one's Gregory Polanco. Another nice one. Polanco. Back-to-back Jack for the Pirates. Mr. Polanco's showing up. Gregory Polanco, there we go. I got Pirates are showing up, but unfortunately my camera's not showing up. There it goes. Now we're back in business. Very nice. Back-to-back Pirates. Empty box there, guys. Here we go. Second box. And we got our packs here. Here we go. First pack. Second box. Box 2. Nationals. Louis Giolito. That is out of 199. Lucas Giolito. 38 out of 199. I think I said Louis. It's Lucas. 38 out of 199 there. First hit. Twins. Miguel Sano. Very nice. On card. I love his autograph too. Just 2 S's. Pretty much. On card there. Sano for the Twins. Twins striking. Next hit. Braves get on the board there. Jose Peraza. Braves. Peraza for the Braves. Braves striking. And last hit of the first pack. Angels. Cam Bedrosian. Bedrosian Angels. Cam Bedrosian. Angels striking. Next pack. Red Sox. Karen Sankini. And no numbering on that one. Just checking. Braves striking first here. First hit. Northcraft. Aaron Northcraft. Braves. Next hit coming at you here. Red Sox getting on the board with Blake Sweetheart. Red Sox, Blake Sweetheart. Red Sox, we got a redemption coming at you. Prospect Auto, Braxton Davidson. Braxton Davidson, Prospect Auto redemption. Once again, I'll double check, make sure my memory is serving me right. That's Braves, guys. Braves. Braves. Braxton Davidson's Braves. I was right on that one, but I don't get ahead of myself on those anymore. All right, here we go. Next pack. Eric Fetty for the Nationals. Not numbered there. First hit. Rockies. Kyle Freeland. On-card autograph there. Another one. Got a nice big signature. Kyle Freeland, Rockies, on card. Very nice. Rockies getting on the board. And next hit here. Come on. Cubbies, C.J. Edwards. C.J. Edwards for the Cubbies. Mariners, there was, I don't think any Mariners hits as of yet, Ustreamer. There was a Walker pulled for base card. C.J. Edwards and redemption. Another die cut auto. Man, die cut's coming like crazy. Sterling die cut auto refractor. Tyler Kolek. Tyler Kolek. Another die cut auto. Very nice. Marlins, guys. And Kolek's supposed to be good. Die cut auto, Tyler Kolek. Supposed to be good, guys. It's a good one. Redemption. Here we go. Base card out of the gate here. Robert Stevenson for the Reds. Not numbered there. First hit, Pirates getting on the board for this pack. Alan Hansen. Another nice autograph there. Alan Hansen. Next hit, Cardinals. Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. Jack. Last hit of the pack. Mets, Dominic Smith for the Mets. Dominic Smith for the Mets. Mets getting on the board here. Dominic Smith. Very nice. Next pack. Got 2 packs left, guys. Here we go. Little throwback here. Atlanta. Hold on here, guys. Freddie Freeman there. Throwback there. Atlanta. First hit. Rockies. Tom Murphy. Rockies. Tom Murphy for the Rockies. Next hit. On card. Lucas Sims. Braves. On card. Lucas Sims. Braves. Braves getting another hit there. And we got another redemption. Prospect auto. Michael Conforto. That's another redemption of his. Conforto, guys. That's 2 redemptions for Conforto. Last pack, guys. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Mariners. Steven Romero. That should be numbered and is out of 199. 146. 146 out of 199. Romero for the Mariners. And first hit. Phillies getting on the board. Mitch Gweller on card. Phillies on card. Mitch Gweller for the Phillies. On card autograph. Next hit. The Mets. Noah Syndergaard. Another on card. Very nice. Noah Syndergaard. Another prospect with high hopes. Noah Syndergaard. Very nice. Mets on card autograph. Last hit of the break. Good luck, everybody. Here it is. Coming out with another George Springer, Astros. Wrapping it up with a George Springer for the Astros. Very nice. Empty box here, guys. I will do a quick hit recap here. Run through these real quick, guys. Not going to go over teams too much, but we got Springer, Astros. These, of course, are all autographs, guys. Syndergaard, Mets. Gweller, Phillies. Conforto, 2 of them, redemptions for 2 prospect autos there, guys. Lucas Sims, Braves. Tom Murphy, Rockies. Mets. Dominic Smith, Cardinals. Jack Flaherty. Alan Hansen, Pirates. Tyler Kolek, Sterling die cut auto refractor. It's a good one, Marlins. Number 2 pick. C.J. Edwards, Cubs. Kyle Freeland, Rockies. Braxton Davison, prospect auto redemption. Blake Sweetheart, Red Sox. Braves. Aaron Northcraft, Angels. Bedrosian, Braves, Jose Peraza, Twins, Sano, Pirates, Gregory Polanco, Pirates, Austin Meadows, Angels, Newcomb, Astros, George Springer, Correa for the Astros, Giants, Crick, Red Sox, Barnes, Indians, Sheffield, Alcantara for the A's, Fulton Newix, I think I said it right, Astros, Cubbies, Almora, Sterling die cut auto blue refractor. Byron Buxton, very nice redemption. Javier Baez, Cubbies, very nice. Baez. Gatewood for the Brewers. Cardinals. Luke Weaver. Twins, Nick Gordon. And Francisco Lindor. Indians, guys. I just wanted to make sure you guys got a quick hit recap there. Guys, thanks a lot for breaking with us. Really appreciate it. Triple Threads is coming up at 10. I'll stick around, guys. Not going to go anywhere, so if you have any questions, I'll be here. Thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate it. Make sure you check out the website, carverhobby.com, and follow us on Twitter. Thanks a lot, guys. You guys rock.